morning, students. Today we are discussing about the topic pair of straight lines. We are discussing about the topic pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines means product of straight lines. Pair of straight lines, or it is also called product of straight lines, or combined equation of straight lines. Combined equation of straight lines. Now, combined equation of straight lines or product of straight lines means, that means first we have to consider the straight lines. Already we are having some idea on the straight lines. We are having some idea on the straight lines. So the general form of the straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of the straight lines. General form of the straight lines. Suppose c equal to, this constant value is equal to 0, that straight line is passing through the origin. If c value not equal to 0, this straight line does not passing through the origin. For example, c not equal to 0, the straight line is like this. You can take any one like this. It is not passing through the origin. Suppose c equal to 0, this straight line compulsory passing through the origin. Compulsory passing through the origin. Already we are having this idea. Compulsory that means we are having this idea. That means, so the product of straight lines. The product of straight lines. The product of straight lines. First we have to consider. Now I am considering that product of two straight lines passing through the origin. Passing through the origin. So passing through the origin, standard form is ax plus by equal to 0. Now we have to find the product of two straight lines. So I am considering two straight lines, a1x plus b1y equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y equal to 0. Here I am considering that two straight lines. Okay. Now I am taking the product of two straight lines. Suppose if I take the product of these two straight lines, then I can get the standard form of pair of straight lines. Standard form of pair of straight lines. Okay? Right. Standard form of pair of straight lines. To get that standard form, I am multiplying these two straight lines which are passing through the origin. That means a1x plus b1y into a2x plus b2y equal to 0. 0 into 0, here I am taking that 0. If I multiply these two equations, a1x into a2x, a1 a2x square, these two terms, a1 b2 xy, product of these two terms, a2 b1 xy, product of these two terms, b1 b2 y square equal to 0. Here there are two terms which are having the xy. So if I take xy is the common, a1 b2 plus a2 b1, this total into xy. Remaining terms there is no changes. Now you observed here x square coefficient is a1 a2. Suppose a1 a2 both are constant. So I am considering that the product of a1 a2 as ax square. So these two terms I am considering as 2hxy plus b1 b2. Suppose if I consider it as by square equal to 0. Now this is the standard form of pair of straight lines which represents the straight lines which are passing through the origin. This is the standard form of pair of straight lines. Okay, it is a homogeneous equation. That means, suppose in our textbooks, if this type of equations is given, then we have to consider that it is a homogeneous equation. It represents product of two straight lines which are passes through the origin. Example also I will give. Example: x square minus y square equal to 0. If I compare this equation to this, x square coefficient a value is 1. xy, there is no xy term. Okay, no problem. by square coefficient is minus 1. We can easily split that equation. It is also a product of two straight lines which are passing through the origin. X square minus y square. If I can split x plus y into x minus y equal to 0. So x plus y equal to 0 and x minus y equal to 0. Okay, so the product of these two straight lines, already we know that these two straight lines are passing through the origin. Okay, so the product of these two straight lines is like this. Compulsory our standard form is like this. That means this type of form is given. We have to conclude that it represents a pair of straight lines. That means product of straight lines represents two straight lines which are passing through the origin. The diagram is like this. Okay, we have to take two straight lines. This is one straight line. You can take here, whatever it may be. Compulsory second straight line is also passing through the origins. For example, if I take like this is first equation, this is second equation. Okay, the product of these two straight line equation is compulsory, is in this form: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. After completing all this concept, we just discuss about the straight lines which are not passing through the origin. Okay, first we have to discuss if it is passing through the origin. Okay, right. This is why simple example for this one. Okay, so first we have to conclude this thing. Okay, please mind that ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents a homogeneous equation. Represents product of two straight lines which are passing through the origin. Right. Next, suppose this type of equation is given. In our textbook we are having one type of problems, that is, if this type of equation is given, we have to split that into two straight lines. That type of problems are given. Now we have to find, suppose this type of equation given, how to find the splitting of that into two straight lines. Okay, right. Okay, so this is our standard form. First I am considering the standard form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Now I have to split this equation into two straight lines. In this procedure, Okay, here I am giving the very simple procedure. Right. To split this into two straight lines, first you have to multiply this total equation by small a. Multiply by small a. Now I am getting that a square x square 2ha into xy plus ab y square equal to 0. I can write it as ax whole square plus 2 into ax into hy, two terms, plus ab y square equal to 0. In the next step, I am adding and subtracting that this value whole square value, right? Ax whole square plus 2ax into hy. I am adding this value whole square, hy whole square minus, that means I am adding and subtracting the same value, and this is the same, there is no change in this term. Now you can check here a square plus 2ab plus b square, these three terms. I am considering this as ax plus hy whole square up to here, these three terms ax plus hy whole square. In these two terms, one common value is there, that is y square. You can take the common y square or minus y square. Here I am taking that minus y square is the common. Okay, minus y square is the common. Then I am getting that h square minus ab equal to 0. In the next step, I am taking that y into square root of h square minus ab whole square. Okay, y square, square root and square both will cancel. Okay, no problem. Here ax plus hy whole square. Now you can check here, it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Ax plus hy plus a plus b. Y into square root of h square minus ab. A plus b is completed into a minus b. In the place of a, we are having that ax plus hy minus y into square root of h square minus ab equal to 0. In these two terms, we are having y is the common, so I am taking the y is the common. If I take y is the common, h plus square root of h square minus ab, this total into y. Here ax and ax plus, if I take y is the common, h minus square root of h square minus ab, this total into y. Now you check here ax plus by, it is a straight line equation, it is in the standard form ax plus by. So it is a straight line passing through the origin, ax plus some by. So this is also a straight line passing through the origin. Now this pair of straight line equation is split into how many straight lines? Two straight lines. What are that? Ax plus h plus square root of h square minus ab into y and equal to 0, and the second one is ax plus h minus square root of h square minus ab into y equal to 0. This is the procedure to split this homogeneous equation, or otherwise you can easily remember this. Okay, suppose if you remember this, we can easily split the homogeneous equation. Okay, so what are the ax plus h plus or minus square root of h square minus ab into y equal to 0. Plus or minus, that means it is indicated that two straight lines. Okay, these two straight lines both are passing through the origin. Okay, like this. Okay, you can take two straight lines, no problem. Whatever it may be, it is passing through the origin. This is the first straight line equation. This is the second straight line equation. First one is this one and second one is this one. Okay, so this is the main important point. Okay, so what are the straight line equation? Ax plus